First we begin by creating a new document. You can set your size in inches here. The width will always be 22 inches. You can make the height whatever you like here, and we can change it later if we need to update the size. RGB and 300 pixels per inch. Next we will drag and drop images from our file folders to create our layout, adjusting the size as we go. Here we can adjust the size of the image by inputting the dimensions. Click and drag over the document to select all the images for duplication. Next, we hold Alt on the keyboard and drag the entire selection to duplicate. Now the document size is too small. We must make adjustments. Next we can check our document size for file naming so we know what size DTF option to select when ordering. We will need to export as a PNG file.